The Pro 3 is out. So what improvements does it have compared to the Pro 2? Today we'll clear it up with a video, starting with a sound quality comparison. On my left is the Pro 2. On my right is the Pro 3. Let's see if there is a big difference in sound quality.
让我与你握别，让我与你握别，让我与你握别。
Overall, I think the AirPods Pro 3's sound quality isn't much different from the Pro 2's. The Pro 3 sounds a bit more detailed and natural, but basically not a huge difference. Next up is noise cancellation. Apple claims the Pro 3's noise cancelling is more than twice as good as the Pro 2's, so is the improvement really noticeable? Let's listen. The ear tips material changed. Now they fit the ear better, making our ears feel more sealed. So how is the fit of AirPods Pro 3? Will they fall off? Let's do a quick test to see if they actually fall. You can see no problem at all compared to Pro 2. Pro 3 added a heart rate sensor. The sensor is right next to the speaker in real use. It is way more convenient and easier to carry and watch. We can easily check workout status on the phone, better than Pro 2. The ear tips bend more, making them easier to wear comfortably. The charging case dropped the physical button, and AirPods Pro 3's single charge lasts 2 whole hours longer than the second gen. The battery life boost on these earbuds is huge, though the case only lasts about 6 hours. I think that it's no big deal. It doesn't really affect much. That is all for the AirPods Pro 3 improvements. If you like it, please like and follow. Thank you.